Welcome to Orthodontics. My name is Dr. Katz, and I am the orthodontist in the office. We're located in Everett, Washington. We do orthodontic treatment. We specialize in braces, Invisalign. So let's take you on a tour so you can see our clinic. So come on over.
We're going to start off our tour at the snack bar. Dr. Katz likes to keep a variety of drinks, so it always feels like home. It's very nice and cozy here at the office. After you grab a drink, you can come on over to our waiting area where you can check in, schedule your appointment, and you'll be greeted by our receptionist. She'll always greet you with a smile. We always encourage patients to bring in their family members, their kids. We have a lot of toys they can play with. We have some coloring books, and we love seeing your kiddos here at the office. So it's a very pleasure and an honor to serve you while you're having braces. Next stop of our tour is the treatment coordinator room. You'll get to meet our treatment coordinator. Your consultation will take place in this room. You'll get to meet Dr. Katz, have photos, x-rays, and you'll get to go over your treatment plan. And you'll have all your questions answered regarding treatment and financial. Welcome to our brushing station. Before your appointments, you're more than welcome to brush here at the brushing station. Dr. Katz always provides toothbrushes, mouthwash, toothpaste, and floss to keep that smile nice and healthy. Next, we have the photos and x-ray room. In this room, you will have your Ceph and a panoramic x-ray taken. You'll also have some photos done, which will be used for your treatment. Dr. Katz has the latest state-of-the-art x-ray machines. All of the equipment at the office is new and runs better than ever, with braces and overall dental changing year by year. We make sure that we provide the newest and latest technology for your orthodontic needs. Last stop of our tour is the clinic. Here in the clinic, Dr. Katz's assistants are all licensed in the state of Washington. We like to create a comfortable, compassionate, and fun environment. Orthodontics is what we do, and we are proud to say we are good at it. Silver Lake Orthodontics.